Good morning, guys! It's our third day here in Brisbane, and we're making breakfast. We have the banana.
You want butter on your toast?
Yes. Oh no, I'll just have the egg. The cheese. Video and focus. Wow. So, nagluluto ako ng ano, guys. Nagluluto kasi ako ng banana dito na pwede siyang prituhin. So, I love it. And then spread. Medyo okay na siya, guys. He's not really sick anymore. Unlike 2 days ago. It's fine now. Look, how can I open this, my love? Oh. Okay. Ito pala na-open yan, oh. So, ang ganda ng view namin, guys. I-open natin yung malaking ano. Sit down here, my love. Ang ganda ng ano dyan, oh. Mahaba kasi. Wait! It's very long. Okay na asawa ko dyan, ah. Parang mayroon ng eye patch. Smile ka rin dyan, babe. Ang ganda. Hindi ko napakita yung bed namin kasing kalat na. So, ganyan siya, guys. Simula sa bed namin. So, ganyan ang view. It's so pretty. Enjoy natin. Mas meron silang man-made fold dyan. Napakita ko na ito sa unang video. Ang dami naliligo. Ang aga pa eh. May naliligo na sobrang aga pa. Man-made beach. Ginawa lang nila yun. Kasi yung mga purple na bougainvillea. Ayan siya. Ay, hanggang kapaisin yung kamay ko. Ayan siya, yung purple pa ganyan. Hanggang dun. Yan siya, guys. Paikot hanggang dun sa dulo. All purple. Luto muna tayo makakain. Nagkape na yan si Greg. Sunog na!
Oh, sorry, right?
Next. This is what they use for like latte. Pag ako walang vlog, guys, kahit sa Pilipinas, hindi ako masyado nakakapag-vlog kasi gusto talaga rin para enjoy talaga pag 5 weeks. Ay, 1 week lang sa Pilipinas. Parang ano ito, mas kubado. Parang mas kubado. Nang melt mo na. Lang kilay. Just woke up. So, kain tayo. Nagtatago si Craig. He don't want be in the camera. Oh, thank you, my love. Kain, guys. Diba? Kasi may mga sakit eh. Pero okay na si Craig. May ubula lang siya konti. But it's good now. Ganda talaga ng ano dito. Gustong-gusto ko yung view. Oh. Kagabi mayroong ano. Pwede din kayo masakay. Pa-share kami doon mamaya. Oh. Kain. Oh, yummy. Yummy foodie. I'm watching the view. So yun guys, tapos na kaming mag-breakfast. Maghapon, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog guys. Pero, nakaano ako ng Valley Girls. So, mga mura lang sila doon. So, binila ko nito. Lalabas ko na siya kasi susuotin ko today. So, ayan. Ang cute lang. for $7.99. So, $8. And the blue, this one. Ito na yung pinaka-small nila. Small. Ganyan. Small to medium. It's also $7.99. So, mga mura lang yan, guys. And ito, kasi may ligaw ako sa parang ganito. Tulad ng ginasuot ko ngayon, ito. So, white siya. Kumuha ko ng white. For $7.99. Ang ganda. Malab! I like this.
Yeah, that's not bad, is it?
Good for my, as well, the latte. And nagkuha din ako ng black. I get the black as well. So, ito siya. Black. And pants. Pang babae lang yun dun, guys, kaya wala si Craig. Yun siya, ano. So, kumuha din ako ng square pants. Maganda siya pa partner dito. So, mga baby, ito yung suotin ko mamaya ngayon. Kasi pupunta kami sa garden. So, baka yan ang susutin ko. Or itong brown partner. We'll see. Lalabas ko muna siya para pilihan mamaya. Kasi pupunta kami dyan sa kanilang botanical garden. Dito sa Brisbane. Maliligo lang ako. Mauna akong ligo kasi matagal ako eh. Kasi mamaya na yan siya. And dahil dyan, naka $48 ako. Ang dami na. So, binigyan nila ako ng free na electric fan. Ay, battery fan siya na pang lakad lang. Tapos, kung ibibenta nila, nasa $16. Which is, nice. Libre lang to guys. Kasi nga, na-reach ko yung maximum or minimum nila. So, meron akong free fan. Dadaling ko to kasi medyo mainit dito sa Brisbane. Hindi siya katulad sa Tasmania na malamig. Dito makakasuot ka ng pang summer. So, maganda. So, let's go shower and charger. Ay, may stand yung charger niya. Wow! So, that's how to stand. So, ganyan yung stand niya. Ganda. Free lang. So, I like it. Gamitin natin yan dahil. Oh, pwede siya stronger. Wow! I love it. Yung charger niya parang nice din. Kasi nga, para sa phone. So, yeah. So, let's go and shower. And see you again later after my shower. Bye! Say things at the back. So, labas na kami guys. Nasa lobby. So, labas na kami ni Craig. And we will bring you to our travel today. Kasi, uwi na kami in 2 days. So, yeah. Even here, I want to take picture here. Malab.
Yeah.
Babe, I vlog you. Wow, it's nice. Can we take picture here? Wow. Look it here. Wow, that's so nice. This there. Oh. Malab, can we picture here? Go, Malab. God, it's nice. Oh, that's nice there, Malab. Oh, up there. Where? Oh, wow. We should go here tonight.
Yeah, we can.
Oh, it's so nice. It's a nice area. So, nandito kami sa Skydeck, guys. Yan. Diyan kami nagsistay, guys. Dito, sa taas na to. Diyan kami nagsistay. And, nagpasya kami dito sa Skydeck. Ang ganda, oh. It's not, babe. Sorry. This one. It's right now. Let's go there, picture.
You can see why it'd be popular, can't you?
Yeah. picture here. Yeah. It's nice. Oh, they have seats here. We can sit here first. And that's the garden. Wow. Skydive. Bakit ba? Vlog. Parang haba yung vlog ko guys. So I have a long vlog.
A long vlog.
Yes. And then after we can still go turn around there
You can.
if we want.
Probably not much of it. It's not like that.
It's nice to see the other area. Ooh, very nice. I love it.
It's not right temperature.
Yeah, it's my epic drive. Malak! I don't know why I have the feeling like it scares me. Babe. Ano siya guys? Glass. Glass, ano. Kita mo yung ilalim. Whoa. You step on, Beb. Beb. I'm scared. Scary. Where? I don't know. I don't know. So, lumabas na kami dun sa sky deck, guys. Babalik kami mamayang gabi. Punta naman kami ngayon dito sa kanilang botanical garden. Yay! The entrance. The garden entrance. Whoa! It's nice. May mga pictorial. Mahilig kami ni Craig sa mga garden. There, Malabo, it's nice too.
You want to go that way?
So we're gonna go there first, so around.
Okay, whichever way you want.
Let's go around there. It's nice. Bye-bye. Talagang you do this. Come on.
Huh?
Hoy, stay there. Ganda
It's like
guys.
Jurassic Park, but
We're in the Jurassic. Something bites me. Maybe I'm just. Oh. Jurassic Park. Joke lang. Ito kami sa kanilang garden guys. Maganda. Yun ang ganda doon. Very clean. Ganito kami ni Craig pag may mga pupuntahan kami. Pumupunta kami sa mga botanical garden nila. Ganyan. Very nice. It's cute. Very good. Yes! Orange tree ka. Nice. That's our building guys. Diyan kami nagsistay. Very nice. So, punta kami dito guys. Magkakape si Craig sa middle of the wood. Bili kami ng ano dito guys. Ng inumin. Si Craig. Show you.
That's me.
This is vlog.
Right.
So we're going inside the bush guys. Bush? This is the bush.
Is it bush? Don't they flowers?
Where? Yeah, I think so. Purple one. Wow. So, ganyan guys. Ang ganda guys, oh. Parang square yung kanyang ano. And it's very, very, very long. Like a snake the... Ooh. Very nice. Guys, grabe ang nakakatakot. I almost stepped on him. Lucky, sorry. We're not looking. Whoa, may water sa gilid.
There's the touch.
So, balik na kami guys sa aming ano guys. Tapos na si Craig mag-shopping.
Skate.
Balik na kami sa aming bahay. Ito yung aming bahay guys. Very nice hotel. So, nandito na kami guys. Pakita ko sa inyo naman. Ako lang ang lagi nag-shopping. Ang aking asawa ay wala. Valley girl again. Gusto ko kasi sa kanila doon. Diba? Kasi nagustuhan ko nga yung sinuot ko na top. Ito. Kaya bumili ako ng other color. Yes. I got the green one. Green. It's not good. And the black. So, I had 3 color now. And bumili din ako ng pants. Ganda yung pants na. Kasi ito body girl itong suot. Sa pants. So, meron silang pants with ano na siya guys. So, mahilig ako sa pants na malaki. So, ayun siya. May kasama ng belt. It's very nice. So, yan. Then, dahil maliligo kami ni Craig sa swimming pool, bumili ako ng swimwear. Yeah! Ligo kami sa swimming pool sa taas. Chill kami kasi medyo mainit. Bumili ako ng shorts. Partner sa pants. I mean, sa bikini. And dahil sa Bali Girl, nagsobra na naman ako. Kaya binigyan ako nila ng free. So, dalawa na yung ganito namin. Sana yung isa. So, meron akong dalawa electric fan. So, magkakapi lang si Craig, guys. And then, maliligo kami sa swimming pool. So, see you there. Bye. Gawa natin ng kape. Ang aking asawa. Yan si Claire guys. So, magsiswimming na tayo, guys. Ready ng ating swimsuit. Let's go!
So you're going to sit your phone just out in the open at the pool?
Swimming tayo, guys. Swimming. It's gonna be quick.
Just like up there, babe.
Okay, swimming.
Yeah, that's where you go and start.
Huh? Go. Good? Good? Ooh. We are in the town. Malab! Come here. Hello, vlog.
We're the only ones in the pool now, right?
Yes, solo. Solo namin yung pool. Come here. Okay, so dito kami sa 7th floor. Is it 7th floor? Wala?
Yeah, 7. Yep.
Swimming. It's very cold, the water.
Right, it's not very cold. It's cooler than what it is.
Okay. Swimming. Swimming pool.
In the city, remember I used to drive a Yukon. I pick up whenever you call. In a parking lot in Tucson.